Let me begin by emphasizing that being alone does not simply imply the absence of company. It is a priceless opportunity for self-reflection and the divine connection that each of us possesses. It is a moment of silence in the midst of the chaos of the world, where we can hear the whispers of our soul and the presence of the divine solitude that is crucial in our journey of self-discovery. It gives us the time and space to explore our deepest thoughts and feelings, which ultimately leads to making life-changing decisions that are true to ourselves. Society frequently questions ourselves. Those of us who have chosen to walk this path on our own. They may be perplexed as to why we do not follow the crowd. Why do we seek solitude in a world full of people? I believe in the midst of all the noise and distractions, we discover our true essence when we are alone. So, in this video, we'll look at how being alone on our spiritual journey can be transformative. We'll talk about the freedom it provides and the incredible growth that can result from these moments of introspection. If you've ever felt compelled to travel alone, or if you're simply curious about the benefits of solitude, this video is for you. So let us dive right in and appreciate the beauty of being alone. Recognizing the importance of being alone is a powerful realization. It is important to recognize that this path is not for everyone. However, for those who dare to embrace it, it can lead to extraordinary growth and self-awareness. Being alone allows us to step away from external noise and truly listen to the whispers of our hearts. In those rare moments of solitude, we come face to face with the depths of our being. It's like diving into the vast ocean of our consciousness and discovering new aspects of ourselves we might not have known they existed. We begin to unearth those unsaid dreams and aspirations that have been quietly nestled in the chambers of our hearts, waiting for the right time to make themselves known. Internal journeying is an important part of this process. Confronting our deepest thoughts and emotions is not always easy, and it can be uncomfortable at times. However, it is only through this inner exploration that we can find the answers. We want to go through a transformational change, to shed old layers that no longer serve us and embrace a more authentic version of ourselves. Recognizing the influence of external factors on our beliefs and perceptions is one of the most important aspects of being alone. Society, friends, family, and the media shape us from a young age. But in the solitude of silence, we have the opportunity to question why we think the way we do. Isolation becomes a catalyst for breaking free from conformity if those beliefs truly align with our deepest desires. In these moments, we discover our natural leadership abilities, our innate ability to chart our own course. Rather than following the crowd, we should embrace our individuality and forge our own path. Unapologetically is a powerful form of self-expression in the midst of our spiritual journey's isolation. We learn how to love ourselves. We recognize that true love begins within us. We become vessels of love for others by nurturing our own souls. We naturally overflow with the ability to uplift and inspire as we fill our own cup. Those around us who are authentic and challenging, radiating love and kindness to the world. It is not an easy path to change our beliefs, but it is a transformative one. It gives us the ability to step into our truth and live a life that is in alignment with our soul's purpose. Remember, you are not meant to fit in with any group. You were born to be a leader. Understanding the energy loss in toxic relationships is one of the most profound realizations we have during moments of solitude. Being isolated allows us to take a step back from draining connections and assess how certain relationships may be unconsciously sapping our life force. It is in solitude that we begin to reclaim our energy and prioritize our well-being. Our focus is on creating healthy boundaries. We become more in tune with our inner needs and desires when we embrace solitude. We gain the ability to defend ourselves against energy vampires and negative influences. Boundaries serve as a shield, allowing us to keep our energy and focus on what truly matters. Embracing the importance of authenticity in this process cannot be overstated. We embrace our true selves in solitude, shedding the masks and personas we may have adopted to fit into societal norms. We motivate others to do the same. Our genuine expression becomes a beacon of light, encouraging those around us to be authentic as well. Unafraid and unapologetic selves. Remember that being alone does not imply being isolated indefinitely. It is about finding the inner strength to walk away from toxic relationships and set healthy boundaries. By doing so, we cultivate a strong sense of self that inspires positive change in ourselves and others. Being alone is not always an easy path to take. It frequently entails recognizing the pain that arises during our spiritual journey. When we confront our inner struggles and past traumas, we go through a healing process that can be both difficult and cathartic. We pave the way for growth and self-discovery through healing. In the stillness of our own company, embracing solitude gives us access to unique wisdom and spiritual gifts. We draw from a reservoir of profound insights and intuitive guidance. We begin to see things from a higher perspective, one that goes beyond the mundane and connects us to a profound understanding of ourselves and the universe within the depths of solitude. We discover an emotional treasure trove. We feel profound joy and love when we are not constrained by external circumstances. We encounter the true essence of unconditional love and pain liberation in this space of solitude. We come to realize that our destiny is not tied to external validation, but rather lies within the sacred sanctuary of our soul. In the silence of our own company, embracing solitude leads us to discover a special connection, a divine bond with the universe and our true selves. We realize we are a part of something bigger, linked to a cosmic web of energy and wisdom. Solace, purpose, and a deep sense of belonging are found in this connection. We realize that seeking validation or happiness is futile as we delve into the depths of being alone. Externally is no longer required. We no longer look to others to define or fulfill our desires. Instead, we discover true happiness. It lives within us. And validation comes from knowing and unconditionally accepting oneself. We unlock the power of creation, of accessing divine wisdom that resides within our soul in the quiet sanctuary of solitude. This wisdom is internal, not external, and it connects us to the cosmic intelligence of the universe. We gain insights beyond the limitations of our human experience through this connection, guiding us towards a deeper understanding of life and its mysteries as we journey within. In embracing solitude, we discover the true essence of being, where boundless love resides, and we open the doors to self-love, compassion, and acceptance. We learn to nurture our souls and care for our own needs with compassion, allowing love to freely flow through all aspects of our lives. Remember that the transformative power of being alone is in your hands. Accept solitude as a sacred pilgrimage honor. Find the boundless love that resides at your core and the divine wisdom that unfolds within your soul. As we near the end of this transformative journey, I'd like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to each of you. And each of you, your encouragement and support have been a guiding light on this path of self-discovery, and I am truly humbled by your presence here. Thank you for joining me on this journey into solitude and its profound impact on our spiritual journey. Your interest in this content motivates me to continue sharing insights and wisdom that can uplift and empower us all. If you resonated with the message in this video, please share it with others who may benefit from it. Let us spread the transformative power of being alone in our lives, inspiring those around us to follow their own paths. Thank you for being a part of such a wonderful community.